Hey, what a lovely day. But nobody's around. God, I think everybody's sleeping. Let me just go inside. Hey, who's this? We found a monkey.
Hi, my name is Monkey.
Hi, Kimaya.
Hi, Daddy.
But what are you trying to make today, Kimaya? What is all this?
So we are going to make a squishy ball today.
You're making squishy balls or fishy balls?
Squishy ball.
Oh, squishy balls. Interesting.
So first what you need is baking soda,
Okay. Okay.
shampoo, bowl,
Okay.
a plastic Sprite bottle,
Alright.
2 balloons, a threadler, a scissor, and a net.
So you're gonna make squishy balloons with baking soda and a conditioner. That's interesting. I'd love to know.
Should we start making it, Daddy?
Of course.
We need to open our baking soda packets.
Is it open? Have you even told Mummy that you're taking her baking soda?
Yeah, that time only.
So you told her when she wasn't listening, right? Good job. Is that done?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now what do you do next?
Next, we're gonna add our this.
What is that?
Shampoo.
It's not shampoo, it's a conditioner.
Conditioner.
Okay.
What if mommy gets angry?
Good question. Come on, fast. Then let's do it faster. Okay, Kimaya, now that you've added the conditioner, what next?
So I made my hands dirty, right? I'll mix it up.
Okay, mix it. And you mix it and you have to make it into a dough.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So now you've made a paste out of baking soda, right?
Yeah.
What next?
Next, put this in.
Okay, you're putting the balloon on top
So
of...
it's matching with this. Then put it in. Did it. Did this.
Okay, so that you can fill the baking soda. Okay, now then next.
I will need a spoon.
Why spoon? Just put it with your hands now. Put everything inside, then we'll push it in.
This is how you push it.
Is it going in?
But it's not going over that.
It's not going in. Need some help? Okay, sure. Okay, so now you stuffed everything inside. Now what next?
I can't. It will break otherwise.
Okay, Kimaya, I think you got a ball, a squishy ball.
It's not
Hey.
done yet.
What have you done? Oh, you put it in a fish net.
Yeah. Hey, look, Daddy, put it on.
Okay, I'll just help you cut the top, okay? 1 second. Hey, Kimaya, you finally have your squishy ball. Show us.
It's squishes.
That's so cool. Enjoy.
Now you can have fun with it.
All right. Is.